Hello, friends. Welcome to my math lesson today. So we are going to continue to practice making number sentences with numbers up to 10. But first, we are going to try a warm-up. We're going to play a game that's similar to rock, paper, scissors, if you've ever played that game before. But instead of putting rock, paper, or scissors, you're going to put a certain number of fingers up. I'm going to do it with my two hands because I don't have a partner. But if you have your mom, dad, or a sibling, you can play this with them. So this is how you play. You pump your fist like this, and then you put a number out. It can be any amount of fingers on your hands. So I'm going to do this. Now add them together. 5 and 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 3 is 8. Now let's try another one. What do I have? 2 and 3 is 5. Very good. Let's do a couple more. And remember, if you're playing with someone, you only need one hand. And the other person needs one hand. And then you add your fingers together. Let's try again. What numbers do I have? 4 and 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 and 5 is 9. Very good. Let's try one more. Ready? What numbers do I have? 2 and 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 and 5 is 7. Very good. Now let's look at this sentence here. We have blink and blink equals blink. Now, looking at this sentence, what do you think we're going to do today? We are going to add numbers together. That's right. This is an addition sentence. So we're going to make addition sentences today. So if you can get some paper and a crayon or a pencil or whatever you have to write with, I want you to make this sentence a few times on your paper because that is what we're going to practice today. So first, we're going to listen to a story. Okay, are you ready to listen to my story? There were 5 children playing soccer in the park. So I'm going to draw 5 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can probably draw better children than me. But 5 children. 4 more came to play soccer with them. So I need to draw how many more? 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many children now are playing soccer in the park? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can say that in a sentence. 5 and 4 equals 9. Very good. Okay, now we're going to practice the number sentences. There were 6 bears asleep, and 3 bears were playing. So how many bears were asleep? Do you remember? 6. So I'm going to put 6 bears. And you can do this at home with your own objects that you're using for counting. So we have 6 bears that are sleeping. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bears are sleeping. 3 bears are playing. 1, 2, 3. So let's put those numbers in the number sentence. 6 bears sleeping plus 3 bears are playing. How many bears are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 bears all together. Write that 9. There you go. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Very good. All right. Listen to another story of mine. Okay, so let me take my counters. Well, actually, I'll just keep them up there, and we'll just use different counters. Okay, so now there were 3 bears that were sleeping, and 7 bears were eating honey. How many bears are there all together? So how many bears are sleeping? 3. So I'm going to move 3 bears over here. That's how many are sleeping. And how many are eating honey? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those bears are eating honey. So let's put the numbers in our number sentence. 3 plus 7 equals how many? What do we need to do? Count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Very good. Good job. All right, let's try another one. Okay. Maggie has 4 pennies. Her brother James gives her 5 more pennies. How many pennies are there all together? So she has how many pennies to start with? 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pennies does her brother James give her? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move that over there. How many pennies does she have all together? So we're not going to count that one. We just have the 4 and the 5. So let's put those numbers in our sentence. 4 plus, how many did her brother give her? 5. Equals, let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Very good. Okay, we're going to try one more together, and then I'm going to give you 2 stories that you will do on your own at home. All right, so here's the last story we're going to do together. Let's see. James has 2 square magnets and 8 rectangle magnets. How many magnets does he have all together? So let me tell you that again. James has 2 square magnets and 8 rectangle magnets. How many magnets does he have all together? So let's put those numbers on our board here. So he has 2 square magnets. How many rectangle magnets? 8. Let's count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I have this one, 8. So let's put our numbers in this sentence. 2 plus 8 equals, how many are all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Very good. Now, here are your practice problems. So listen to my story. All right, and you can do these on your own at home. Okay, Cindy had 6 crackers, and her sister gave her 3 more crackers. How many crackers does she have now? And here's the next one. Let's see. Cesar has 9 crayons, and his friend gives him 1 more crayon. How many crayons does he have now? All right, boys and girls, I hope you can do those problems on your own at home, and remember to use the number sentence to tell about your story. All right, boys and girls, I hope you had a great time doing math today, and I will see you again soon. Goodbye.